Do Sharp Smart TVs have Amazon Prime? Most Sharp Smart TVs support Amazon Prime Video, but availability depends on the TV's operating system and model. If the TV runs on Android TV, Roku TV, or Aquos Net Plus, Amazon Prime Video is usually pre-installed or available for download. However, older or basic smart models may not support the app directly. 1. Sharp Smart TVs that support Amazon Prime Video. Sharp Smart TVs come with different operating systems, and support for Amazon Prime Video varies. Android TV models. Most Sharp Android TVs have Amazon Prime Video pre-installed or available in the Google Play Store. Roku TV models. Sharp Roku TVs can download Prime Video from the Roku Channel Store. Aquos.Net Plus models. Some older Sharp TVs with Aquos.Net Plus support Amazon Prime Video, but may require a firmware update. Older Smart TV models. Some older Sharp TVs may not have Amazon Prime Video, but users can still access it through streaming devices. 2. How to download Amazon Prime Video on a Sharp Smart TV. Step 1. Go to the TV's App Store. On Android TV, open the Google Play Store. On Roku TV, go to the Roku Channel Store. Step 2. Search for Amazon Prime Video and select the app. Step 3. Download and install the app, then open it. Step 4. Sign in with your Amazon account and start streaming. 3. What to do if Amazon Prime Video is not available. If the Amazon Prime Video app is not available on your Sharp Smart TV, try these solutions. Update the TV's software. Go to Settings then, System then, Software Update, and check for updates. Use a streaming device. Devices like Amazon Fire Stick, Roku, or Chromecast allow access to Prime Video. Screen mirror from a smartphone. On Android TV models, use the built-in Chromecast to cast Amazon Prime Video from a phone. 4th, common issues with Amazon Prime Video on Sharp Smart TVs. If Amazon Prime Video is not working, try these troubleshooting steps. Check the internet connection. A slow or unstable network can cause streaming issues. Restart the TV and router. Unplug both devices for 30 seconds, then restart. Clear app cache for Android TV. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Amazon Prime Video, then clear cache. Reinstall the app. Uninstall and reinstall Amazon Prime Video from the App Store. 5. Alternative ways to watch Amazon Prime Video on a Sharp TV. If Amazon Prime Video is not available on your Sharp Smart TV, you can still watch it using a streaming device. Amazon Fire Stick, Roku, Chromecast, or Apple TV. Gaming consoles, PlayStation, Xbox. Screen mirroring from a smartphone or laptop. Most Sharp Smart TVs support Amazon Prime Video, especially models with Android TV, Roku TV, or Aquos.Net Plus. If the app is unavailable, users can update the TV, use a streaming device, or cast from a smartphone to access the service.